93M. Shoutout po sa inyong lahat. Magandang gabi, magandang umaga, magandang tanghali po sa inyong lahat. You ought to know by now, love is the look in my eyes, love is the way you smile when you say, I wish you'd stay. You bring out all the youth in me. I laugh and cry out all the truth in me. Out of love, you should know by now. Haven't you felt by now just what it's like to be in love, knowing that certain touch when you're sure someone give you more, you bring out all the best in me. I wanna hold you till you feel the need somehow. You should know by now. If I could just find the words, I wouldn't believe so lonely. If you were my only, then I'd show you how. Every move and smooth and sail, say you will, say you will. Hasn't it crossed your mind? Haven't you known all the time? Honestly tell me now, has it shown how much love has grown? The way I tremble at the sight of you. I want to learn to love you through and through. This I beg. You should know by now. By now. You should know by now. By now. Yan lang po yun. Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat, Angela Bofill.